In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Copilot in Power Automate Desktop with a comprehensive tutorial. First, let's explore what we need to start a new automation flow. You'll begin by opening Power Automate Desktop, a versatile tool that can automate repetitive tasks efficiently. Once there, your first action is to click on New Flow. This is your starting point where you'll lay the groundwork for any automated tasks you want to tackle, so go ahead and name your flow something descriptive and memorable to make it easy to identify later on. Now, let's move on to accessing the Copilot pane, which is the heart of this setup. Typically, you can find the Copilot pane conveniently located on the right side of your main Flow Designer canvas. It's quite intuitive and made to assist users in streamlining their automation processes. However, if you don't see it right away, don't worry. You might have to look for a Copilot icon, or maybe notice something like a "Describe it to design it" banner. This can be found in the ribbon or directly on the canvas, helping to guide you to where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter a prompt. In the Copilot input box, which is a space designed for clarity and precision, you want to type a clear, single-step instruction. Make sure this instruction accurately describes the action you're aiming to automate. Precision here is key. It will ensure that Copilot assists you effectively, truly becoming your co-pilot in this automation journey. This feature can truly help translate your task into a specific, actionable step, so take a moment to craft your sentence well. By providing clear and concise instructions in the Copilot box, you are essentially instructing Power Automate Desktop to interpret this as a step in your flow. It's an advanced yet user-friendly feature designed to take the guesswork out of programming the bots to perform the tasks you need. Give it a moment to process. You should see your new flow developing based on the description you've provided. As you continue, keep in mind that each prompt serves as a building block in your automation project. With practice, what once seemed complex becomes second nature. By utilizing Copilot, you are tapping into a powerful tool that helps break down tasks into manageable components without requiring intricate programming knowledge. So, there you have it. Setting up Copilot in Power Automate Desktop doesn't have to be complicated. By starting a new flow, accessing the Copilot pane, and entering a prompt, you're opening up a world of efficient task automation that can save you time and energy. Remember, automation is all about making your life easier, and Copilot is here to do just that. Happy automating, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.